Guys, first of all, assalamu alaikum. So I hope that all of this guy is fine. And actually, so this is to make a video, and I have to know this is to always every day does not upload video. So actually, I have no this is my time, on this time does not upload video. Okay, understand? So actually, so how you can make a sentence on your English? So usually you can practice your English all this time, and you can to your learning through your English. And every day this is your one of your mobile listening, and you can practice your English language. And this is your how to pronounce in on your mobile. And so you can to make a sentence, and how you can thinking on your mind. So usually you can practice your English. So you can to your English to yourself to self, how you can practice your English. Anything this is your English. So you can practice your English, and how you can make a sentence. So actually always time this is your mind thinking how we can make we can make a sentence. So usually this is to English language is the best beautiful language in the world. And you do everything to your English. I know that everything, how I can to make a sentence. So actually this is to make a sentence. I thinking how to make a sentence. So usually I can always time practice. This is my English. And so actually I am how we can to make a sentence. This is to always time. Actually this is my successful English language, 2 years in our English. So actually I thinking this is my English, how we can make a sentence. So actually this is my 2 years in our mind self thinking, and how we can learning practice in our English. So so you can do your English anything. This is your English to learning to your English. So how we can make a sentence, and how I can learning to English. And so দর্শকরা খবর চাই যে আপনারা কিভাবে ইংরাজি শিখতে পারবেন। তো ইংরাজি শিখতে গেলে কালা মানে কি করা লাগবো, প্র্যাকটিস করা লাগবো। তো প্র্যাকটিস করলে কালা সব বস্তুই সম্ভব। যদি প্র্যাকটিস করেন আনারা, তাহলে প্র্যাকটিসের মাধ্যমে আনারা শিখতে পারবেন। আর একটা কথা যে ভুল অজ্ঞা, কত কত মানুষ মানে কয় যে ইংরাজি ভুল হয়, মানে কমই না কয়ে 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 কি হয়ে থাকে, স্টপ হয়ে থাকে। তো হেন তো মানে কিচ্ছু করে না। তো দর্শকরে কয়ে দিলাম যে আপনারা সবসময় প্র্যাকটিস করবেন। সো দেয়ার ইজ মাই এভরিবডি to you understand. So actually you can to your make a sentence, and always time thinking this is your mind. Okay, bye tata. I will see you tomorrow next video, and subscribe me.